Esibhedlela esizoqanjwa umholi wendabuko uKhosi Tawulelo Tawane sizowakhiwa eduze komgaqo N18 nohlanganisa iFryburg neMahikeng. Sizovula amathuba omsebenzi aphansi kwamakhulu ayisithupha kanye namakhulu ayisishiyagalombili ngesikhathi sisakhiwa.
In Mahikeng, there's only one private hospital. And when you look at most of the patients from Mahikeng, they go to Klerksdorp or Rustenburg. I mean, when you look at the kilos from Mahikeng to Maduzane is about 25 kilos compared to more than 100 kilos, which one must travel to go to Klerksdorp or Rustenburg. So I think this facility will be nearer to the community of Mahikeng.
Umholi wendabuko uthi lesibhedlela sizosiza ukwakha amathuba omsebenzi.
This thing is going to help us a lot, and then we are so very happy, and we feel that we are going to benefit a lot because the hospital will be just next door, and then our people are going to be helped easily, and they are going to get jobs and because it's going to create job opportunities in our area of jurisdiction.
Izakhamuzi zikwamukele ngezandla ezimhlophe kwakhiwa kwalesibhedlela.
Most of the time, the nearest clinic at Maduzane is closed, and the mode of transport in Maduzane is the donkey carts. So I think if the hospital is in Madibe, it will assist many of Madibe community.
Namabhizinisi amancane azozuza kulolu hlelo ukwakhiwa kwalesibhedlela kulindele ukuthi kuqale maduzane.